Well, this is Ezekiel with the pigeons, and he's tackling two pigeons and really getting quite aggressive, I think. It's almost like a little pigeon's playground, little pigeon and parrot playground. You watch this. He's really giving them the runaround, I tell you. Look at this. Look at this. Chasing the pigeons. I don't want to get too close because I don't want to chase them away. Yeah, you got a bit back, didn't you?
Yeah, you like that, mate. Got a bit cat.
He says, oh, I better behave myself now, but he won't. As soon as he gets a little mindset, he'll be off onto it again. Oh, you're running away now. I thought you were brave. What's going on? Huh? You've become a loner. Didn't quite succeed with that one, did you, darling? Good try, though. Very good show.